The reason you can't sleep has nothing to do with your phone or blue light. And before you click off this video, I just want to tell you one thing. I'm not going to pull that jackass YouTuber move and tell you to just avoid your phone before bed. That's like telling someone who is addicted to gooning that just put the phone down and don't goon. No shit, Sherlock. If it were that easy, you'd have done it. You've probably tried all that shit and you're still lying awake at 1 a.m. scrolling through garbage. I can give 100 pieces of advice, tips, and techniques, but nothing's going to help you. You know why? Because you don't want to end another day where you accomplished absolutely nothing. Your brain is fighting sleep because deep down, you know you wasted another 16 hours of your life, and going to bed feels like admitting defeat. Everyone keeps giving you the same bullshit advice about putting your phone away and reading books before bed, but you already know that stuff. The real problem is psychological, and once you understand what's actually happening in your head, I can guarantee you that you're going to see improvements. So let me tell you the real problem here. You're not an insomniac. You're a procrastinator who's built your entire identity around wasting time, and every night, this identity crashes into your desperate need to feel productive. Now you might say, what does procrastination have to do with having a garbage sleeping schedule? Let me break your daily cycle first. You wake up late, then you waste your morning by scrolling or doing meaningless busy work that makes you feel productive, but builds nothing. By afternoon, you're drowning in guilt because you've accomplished jack shit again. Then night comes and suddenly you get this panic. I can't waste another entire day. I need to do something meaningful. So you either try to cram in some actual work and end up staying up until midnight, or you fail miserably and get so frustrated that you just scroll social media until your eyes burn. I am being honest with you. This isn't about sleep hygiene. This is about your brain refusing to end a day that feels completely wasted. You're not fighting your circadian rhythm. You're fighting regret. So why basic advice fails? Everyone knows they should put their phone away an hour before bed. Everyone knows they should avoid screens and read instead. But knowing what to do and actually doing it are completely different things when you're psychologically unsatisfied with your day. Your brain doesn't want rest when you haven't earned it. Deep down, you feel like you don't deserve to sleep peacefully after another day of procrastination and wasted potential. So you stay up, trying to squeeze some productivity out of the dying hours of your day, or you distract yourself with endless content consumption because facing the reality of another unproductive day is too painful. The basic advice isn't wrong, but it's treating symptoms instead of the disease. You can eliminate blue light all you want, but if you haven't addressed the psychological satisfaction problem, you'll keep finding excuses to stay awake. Here's what actually fixes your sleep, and that is by fixing your days. When you have a genuinely productive day, when you actually execute on what matters, your brain wants rest. You've earned it. Productive people don't struggle with sleep because they're satisfied with their daily output. They hit their targets, made progress on their goals, and their brain rewards them with the ability to rest peacefully. And this shit starts with your morning, not your night. When you wake up early and immediately start executing, you create momentum that carries through your entire day. You build the identity of someone who gets shit done instead of someone who wastes time. Stop trying to fix your sleep schedule by going to bed earlier. Start by waking up earlier and actually doing meaningful work. When your day is genuinely productive, your brain stops fighting sleep because rest becomes a reward, not a surrender. When you become someone who executes consistently, sleep becomes the natural end to a day well lived instead of an unwanted reminder of time wasted. So how to actually implement? Tomorrow morning, try to wake up 30 minutes earlier than usual. Don't check your phone. Don't ease into the day. Immediately start working on something that actually matters to your goals. Spend the first 2 hours of your day on high-value work. Build momentum early. Create satisfaction early. When night comes, you'll want to rest because you've actually earned it. You can also watch my 1-hour rule video to get some more information about why 1 hour of daily effort will change your whole life. This isn't about forcing yourself to sleep. Rather, it's about creating days so productive that sleep becomes the natural reward for a job well done. Fix your days and your sleep will fix itself. Also, before ending this video, I want to tell you something. If you're a student who is dealing with productivity and discipline, then check out the Mina Study Guide. It's all the knowledge I've gained through years of self-improvement that I use daily. When it comes to productivity, I know what I'm talking about, so check it out if you want the complete system. I'm also working on a full productivity blueprint that goes even deeper, but that's coming later. And if you want to start building an online business, grab my free recurring revenue guide. Links in the description. Bye. At the end of the day, you can keep trying to hack your sleep with gadgets and routines, or you can fix the real problem. See you in the next video.